Hey, we do have the colorized graphics going on. It is red this morning, and that's because we do have at least the potential for a few slowdowns, weather-related. A dense fog advisory in effect across central and southern lower Michigan until noon today. A little bit of light drizzle in the region. Areas to the north of Grand Rapids, places like Big Rapids, Newaygo, Ludington, Manistee, looking at a wintry mix or just some plain old light snow. A winter weather advisory across northern lower Michigan. Here's a look at the visibility readings regionally. You can see visibility down to a half-mile from Fremont to Big Rapids and Ionia. Half-mile visibility now in Battle Creek and Jackson. Quarter-of-a-mile visibility still in Kalamazoo and also over toward the Lansing area. Let's take you on a trip. Some of those cameras that we've got positioned throughout West Michigan, starting in Muskegon at the pier head, where we do have once again some reduced visibility. Look at Ravenna, the middle school campus, with that blanket of snow on the ground. The ground temperatures are cold. We've had some melting snow and also light winds, and the combination really just creating the perfect, ideal environment for that widespread fog to occur. This is a look at Wyoming off to the south. We're looking from high atop the University of Michigan Health West. This is M6, and you can certainly see the visibility is reduced there. Downtown Grand Rapids looking off to the east now, the Ford Freeway, the Medical Mile. And a final stop here takes us to the US 131 Ford Freeway interchange, where it looks like things have slowed down just a little bit. That typical 8 o'clock start, getting ready to at least have a few slowdowns. Temperatures this morning are generally holding in the 30s. A few spots are pretty close to the freezing mark, and so in those locations we certainly could be looking at a few icy spots developing on the roads. Not a whole lot of wind, so we've got feels like readings very close to those wind chills this morning, and we're looking at those temps this afternoon up to around, or maybe even a touch above 40 degrees. So areas of dense fog this morning with little light rain, drizzle, or that wintry mix to the north. Quiet and cold for tomorrow, with temperatures back below freezing tonight, down into the teens. Could be looking at some icy spots early tomorrow morning. Tuesday, highs in the 20s with partial sunshine. A messy midweek system comes in, the potential for some freezing rain. Here's a look at the overall future track. Today's system clearing out. Clear to partly cloudy skies tonight into tomorrow morning, and that does allow those temperatures to drop off with that northerly wind taking hold. We're drawing our attention to this system off to our south and southwest. It mainly is going to be rain south of the central part of Illinois and Indiana, but as this moisture continues to lift northward, notice how quickly during the day Wednesday it does become pink, and that is an indication of that freezing mixture of precipitation. So here in West Michigan, the potential for some freezing rain or a wintry mix. Back to some sunshine on Friday. Chance of snow over the weekend with temperatures a little colder than average. And the 8 to 14 day outlook shows a lot of cold air through the middle of February across much of the continental United States, including the Great Lakes region, the warm territory from the mid-Atlantic states down to the southeast.